Hey guys, so it's 10:35, January 6th. Um, I'm not feeling too good today, so I just did a little bit of trading. As a matter of fact, I got COVID, so that's my excuse because I did some over trading. You can see here, so in my live account, I made a total of $17 profit. I had like 197 or something coming in. I actually overtraded. You see the gross realized profit is $92, and then my realized profit is really only $17. The reason being, I was up from $197 my amount to $300, right? Almost more than 50%. But I got greedy over trading. That's where emotions come in check. And I brought it back down to $17. But on my Apex, excuse me, Apex funded account, this is a new account I got last week. I made $515 profit. You can see this here. I think so after profits, after commissions, it's about 487. But this is my profit for today. So I did this was a clean trade, and I took it. I want to show you where I took it. So I trade the NQ. I draw the charts, I chart it out in SPY. So coming into the market, there was a big drop at 9:15, and you see all my indicators came very, very low, right? Oversold conditions or overbought, whatever you call this. And so when the signal line crossed over here, I knew there was a support here, all of that. So I just bought. I waited a little bit to see what happened to this over here. Um, and when it crossed this, I bought it, and it went up, and then I sold it. That's it. Just a little bit of a small trade around nine. I think it was like nine, maybe somewhere here. I forgot where. Literally going into the resistance, I think. So as soon as market opened, I bought it. I think 9:32, 33, something like that. Just one contract. One contract in the NQ is what I bought. So let's see how it looks over here. I bought it somewhere 9:30, 9:33. Took me about, I probably took 26, 24 points. So if you do the math, 24 points times 20 is 480. So I made what was my profit? 515. So 515 by 20. I took 25.75 points. And then I closed it. That's why you see this very clean over here, 515, and I closed that. But in my live, I scalped a lot, and I was very greedy. So when the SPY went all the way up here, I was scalping. Every time there was a low over here, even though it was not my A plus setup, I went up all the way up to $300 total, and then I was just greedy. I brought it back down. Right? Don't do that. But I just want to show this to you. Literally, if you hold your emotions, follow the process, the plan, you will make money. Simple as that. Hope it makes sense.